It's a picture that Sandrine she sent me also, so we're going to have a try. This we can also wrap the beads around. Yeah, what is the last day to pay order to go out before holiday? February 9 or February 10. I will be go hometown on February 10, but Stella will be stay here on until 10号、11号、12号 until February 12. So Stella will here until February 12. You can check out on about February 9 or February 10. Okay. I'm not go live on February 10. Here. Then we go to make another way. One, two, three. This one is hard to put the 3. Okay, so this way we give up. Yeah. Hello, Kate F. Happy to see you. We'll be come back after 2 weeks on about February 20. I will be start to go live on about February 24. February 24 will be go back to work, and we'll go hard. I will go back hometown on here. Yeah, Stella will stop at here. Yeah, here. 12 or 11. It depends on if it needs to ship some box. If no box to shipping, she will go and on February 11, 12, yeah. We'll have that. Thank you. Okay, so this is the chocolate that we make for today. It's an idea for the chocolate here. And for match with the chocolate, we can make a simple bangle by this glass pro. Very simple making. Okay, we go with the spring. So the spring we just make this way very easy. Rest because it's a Chinese festival here. Even I'm not rest, I'm go live, but all the factory stop. All the factory stop. I cannot get the materials from factory. It seems like all the people stop work for Chinese holiday. Chinese holiday is the Chinese New Year festival is the biggest festival here. Here. Yeah. Thank you. So cut all the spring like this. Then here is going to make a easy design. Okay. And the way I use the pro. Thank you, firework. Laser firework is 这是啥？烟花。 Hi, Laurie. Happy to see you. Thank you, Magis. Here. That goes through. Here. And that goes through. This way. We put the beads and the spring, some short, some longer mix. Hi, Debbie. Happy to see you. It's making a spring memory wire bangle. Very easy design. We make a choker by the memory wire bangle. Miss you. Long time no see, Debbie. Here. Go through. And go through. Here. This way. So spring is very good use. It can make to many different designs. Here. Go so. Here. Here. Okay, hello Simon. Happy to see you. Okay, so it's the bangle. Here we done. This bangle can match with this choker. Okay, glue it. Here. Can memory wire make ring? Yes, we have a memory wire ring. Memory wire here is the bangle, and if you want a memory wire ring, it's going to be a ring. Memory wire ring is this one. Memory wire ring need to use this small memory wire. Yeah, it's like this ring that we made. This is the ring that we made by memory wire ring. So they are different. Memory wire bangle is big circle. Memory wire ring is the small circle here.